Hey guys, oh my gosh, I just got home from my local Walmart. Well, just forget this. I know I like Monster Jam has really been looking for it. He tried to order it, but it didn't come. Let me show you what truck I bought. Max D 10th anniversary. I know WWE has it, 5155 and Isaac G and a few other people, but now I got it. Sorry, I like Monster Jam. You don't have it yet. I know you really want it, and I know there's a bunch of other ones. So, without further ado, let's get this thing opened up. Let me try to. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that bad boy. And I will announce who's driving this for season 5 on a later video. The same time I'm gonna introduce the mystery trucks, who's driving what mystery trucks and everything. Anyway, no 3D, as you might have seen WWE 5155s, which it sucks. Yes, it does. But the spikes are supposed to be poked out, and so is that little guy's face. Awesome truck, one of the trucks I wanted most, and I got it. Holy crap. This is so insane, bro. I got it, and somebody, I'm going to mention it later in another video, is going to be driving this for season 5. Check out my crush car. It is just a car, and it is the blue one. Not going to put it together. I don't really care about that. I care about this crap right here, bro. Max D 10th anniversary is here, brother. And, it's just not, oh, crap. Let me put my track together. It's not going to be racing anybody, but hey, we'll get some kind of taste on how it's going to do. So, sign up, for my sign-up series. Let me just put my track together here. But, oh yeah, brother man. My brother man. Max D 10th anniversary. Let's see what it's got. Oh my gosh. This truck is sick. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.